guys. Anyways, today's gonna be the second part of Don't Press the BFB Button. It's gonna be the same title, you know. Petro. Oh my gosh, it's Mr. Joe. It's Mr. Joe. Mr. Joe. Okay, who's ever been in my words? Okay, if you haven't, yeah, it's Joe. It's Joe. Run. Cleopatra! Oh, that is Cleopatra! Wow! XD. Thoroughly? No. Anyways, there's only 3 people in the game. That's like the least I've ever seen. Actually, once I was in the server of my own. It wasn't a private server because I have no books. Okay, finally there's 4. I think there would actually be someone to help us.
Not look happy to you.
But, okay, I missed. Okay, anyways. So before I got in this game, basically... Oh, wait, I meant before I was here, I went here. And I want to recreate this. Sorry guys, I had to speak to my dad. Anyways, I lost. Good thing it's tried to get to 4 in time because that's the one I did in the last video. That's the one I did in the last video. I was thinking of a complication. But actually, all the videos have complications, really. Anyways, so recently, I did play this morning, and I finally got to the 26,000. Actually, I finally got to the 25,000 coins mark yesterday. Really, that's actually a lot. Oh, I was trying to make an impossible. Mister. I'm gonna help people, so basically... Wait, no, it's wrong. Duh. Appendix! I suffered. But it's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos. That's why you open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos on the street. Tacos. All you can eat. Lettuce and fries and meat. It's raining tacos, yum, it's like a dream. Yum, it's so creamy. Yeah, I'm a tsunami wave. Whee! Bye. got the marker skin all got wiped out. XD. That's really funny actually. No lying. They can't go back up after that. Woo! This is why I love this so much. We need someone to get the coins at least. I meant last one. Okay, how much do I have? Wow, we're so close to 27,000 really. Oh wow. Wait, what? I think my solution did work. If only I had something to like stand on or something, then I would have been fine. Okay, it's already been 5 minutes and we're already at DJ Eggy, but I can't even see the face because I'm partying. Hands on your side and in moments you never regret. Time for the best part. Okay, bye. You guys just got what? Yay, it's like singing too. Bro, we just had DJ Eggy, now it's singing too. Woo! Oh wow, why did he not go into the portal? Best friend. Bye. XD. Wee. As in the last video, I did say this was my favourite one. And the thing is, I do like the red brick one and this one. The thing is, it can make you fast, really, on some occasions. Wee. And also a tip, when you've got this and it's not in the actual stage, then don't ever use your yellow speed coil or your rage table because they all mess things up. It'll just slow you down, of course. That's what I learned. Obviously, I've been playing this for like a couple of months and yeah, I'm already the best in games. Also with my friend Obsidian Tokenoff, username LeaderMate5. Yeah. He has lots more money than